And now, another Merica moment with Mr. Raymond.
Hey there, grasshoppers. That's Mr. Graham.
Hey there. And that's Mr. Raymond.
That's right. And
Hey, we're a little rusty on that, I think.
that's right. Hey, we're standing in Jumonville Glen, which is part of the Fort Necessity battlefield, and it is on this spot that a very young and inexperienced George Washington pretty much started the French and Indian War. This is the area where a bunch of French diplomats were encamped, and they were basically delivering a message to Governor Dinwiddie in Virginia, which is far.
Yeah, like by car, 5 hours maybe.
Yeah,
and of course they didn't have cars. They were.
So it was they had a hike yet.
Yeah,
but it's this spot where Washington and his Indian allies, the Half King, found these diplomats, and Washington, being very green, very young, very inexperienced, didn't take time to figure out what these French guys were doing, and basically swooped down. And long story short, there was a massacre of French troops right here, right where we stand, and it's that incident that sparked the French and Indian War between the British and the French, which ultimately led to the American Revolutionary War and America.
Yeah, kind of all started here. And I'm looking around this terrain here and thinking about the French diplomats that are here. Some one or two of them escaped.
Yeah.
To get the message back that they've been ambushed. But I'm trying to think of running and fleeing in this terrain would be incredibly difficult.
No. But this is a secluded spot in Fayette County, Pennsylvania, and near Uniontown, and it is, you could say, maybe the place where sparked the Revolutionary War eventually and the birth of the United States.
It's really interesting.
Very cool. All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
This has been another Merica moment with Mr. Raymond.